Hello everyone, welcome to Mr. H Math Lab. This video is for Unit 6 practice test for Math 1 students. This chapter we're going to talk about statistic and probability. So first, problem 1 through 5, we're going to use the information above. One coin is randomly selected from the jar that's containing 150 nickels, 150 dimes, and 80 quarters and 21 dollar coins. Find each probability. Alright, so first of all, we're going to do is add all the coins together to find the total coins. So total of all coins, so we have 150 plus 50 plus 80 plus 20. So my total is going to be 150 plus 50 plus 80 plus 20. The total coin is 300 coins. Alright. Then the second thing we're going to need to remember is what is probability. Probability is what you want over the total. Okay, so on the first question, number 1, they ask you find the probability of quarter. So how many quarter do we have here? We have 80 quarter. So we want quarter over the total of 300 coins. Okay, then we're going to do is reduce the fraction. Reduce it by 10, give you 8 over 30. And we continue to reduce it by 2. That will give you 4 over 15. That's it for number 1. Number 2, they ask you for probability for dime and quarter. Dime, we have 50 dimes and 150 nickels. Dimes or nickels. So 50 dimes and 150 nickels, we're going to add them up. And over the total of 300 coins. So that will be 200 over 300. And we can reduce it by 100. That will give you 2 over 3 as the answer for number 2. Number 3, they ask you for probability of the coins that value greater than 10 cents. So any coin greater than 10 cents is the coin that we're looking for. So dime at 10 cents, it doesn't count. They ask you greater. So that will be quarter and $20 coins. So 80 plus 20 over the total of 300. That will be 100 over 300. We reduce this by 800. That will give you 1/3 as the final answer. Alright, we're heading to number 4 and 5. 4 and 5. The value less than 1. Value less than 1 is any coin less than $1 coins. So we have 150 nickels, 50 dimes, 80 quarter. And $20 coin just doesn't count because it's equal to $1. Okay, over the total amount of 300 coins. That will be 280 over 300. I first start to reduce it by 10, so we have 28 over 30. Then you can reduce it by 2. That will give you 14 over 15. Alright, that's it. Okay, problem 5, the value at most is $1. At most is $1. So any coin less than $1 is okay. And $1 itself is still okay. So mean that they are coins. That will be 300 over 300, which is 100%. When you pull the coins out of the bag or something earlier, you always get the coin that has value less than 1 or equal to 1. Alright, that's it for 1 through 5. If you need to rewatch it, go ahead, rewind. Otherwise, go ahead and move on to the next one. 6 through 8. So we talk about odds. What is odds? So odd is what you want over what you don't want. Odd is what you want over don't want. Alright, so problem 6, the letter E. Find the odds of letter E. So we have 1E, 2E, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we want letter E, and there's 8 of them in the quote when we believe we achieve. Now, what letter that we don't want here? We don't want W, H, N, W, B, L, I, V, W, A, C, H, I, V. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So that's 14 letters that we don't want. So 8 over 14, we can reduce it by 4. That will give you 2 over, reduce it by 2 is better option here. That will be 4 over 7. All right. Now vowel. We're going to look at vowel. Vowel is A, E, I, O, U. So we start with E, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So that's 11 vowel in when we believe we achieve. So 11 vowel. And non-vowel is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 out of 11, so which is 1. So it's balanced out between vowel and unvowel. Consonant. Consonant means not vowel. Sorry, not vowel. So coincidentally, in this case, the number of vowel and consonants are the same numbers. So the answer of 8 and 7 gonna be the same answer, because non-vowel is 11 over the letter we don't want is vowel, 11 over 11, which is 1. Alright, if you need more time, go ahead, pause the video. Otherwise, we're going to move on to the next question. Number 9, the graph of data is strong positive correlation has. Okay, they have 4 description for you. So first of all, we need to know what is positive correlation, negative correlation. So the correlation is just like slope. Think about a line. If it's positive slope, how does it look like? And when it's negative slope, how does it look like? This is, I'm going to graph the positive, and then we're going to graph the negative. Okay, so positive slope is the line going up. Negative slope is the line going down. That's it. In this case, they ask you about positive correlation. So I'm going to read part answer A. A narrow linear pattern from lower left to upper right. Lower left to upper right. So that the answer here for the positive correlation. This lower left, upper right. So that is that graph in positive correlation. I'm gonna keep going to check each of them because on the test we not that lucky to get the answer is A. A narrow linear pattern is show upper left and lower right. Upper to the left and lower on the right. They talk about the negative correlation. The narrow is horizontal pattern below the x-axis. So they talk about something like this. So this is also a not a positive correlation. There's probably a zero slope. All right, and all negative x value, that's just completely wrong. All right, problem 10. With which data show in the scatter plot? So all we need to do is find out these points. First point is 5, 10. Second point is 10, something. I will get a 6, 10, 6. And this one probably 15, I would say 5 point something. And this one is also 20, 5. So now we'll look at all the points on the multiple choice to see which one is matching with our answer. So first one, 10-5. We have 5-10, so A is already wrong. B is 5-10, correct. 10-8. Possible. I may make mistake. I actually make mistake there. It should be 10-8. Okay. 15-5 and 25. B is look like it's correct answer. But keep going. Check the next one. C is 10-20. Nope, doesn't make sense. 20-10, 20 up 10. Nope. So the answer is B. I make a mistake on the graph. It should be 10-8.